Assalamu alaikum. Very good morning, my dear students. Welcome to class 5 mathematics, unit 13, time and temperature, part 1. In this video, you are going to learn how to convert from a bigger unit of time to a smaller unit of time. Then, how to convert from a smaller unit to a bigger unit. In class 4, you have already learned how to read the time and how to write the time in different ways. Now you are going to learn how to convert from one unit into another. Here we are discussing three different units, hour, minute and second. What are the relation between these three units? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Then what will be half of an hour? That is half of 60 is equal to 30 minutes. Half of a minute is equal to 30 seconds. In measurement lesson, you have learned two rules to convert from one unit into another. First rule is multiply to change from a bigger unit to a smaller unit. That is BSM rule. Hours to minutes. Hours is bigger and minutes is smaller. Bigger to smaller, that is multiplication. Minutes to second. Minute is bigger, second is smaller. Therefore, bigger to smaller, multiplication. Multiplication by 60. Why it is by 60? Because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Second rule, divide to change from a smaller unit to a bigger unit. SBD rule. Minutes to hours, smaller to bigger. Seconds to minute, second is smaller, minute is bigger. Division, divide by 60. Why? Because 1 minute is 60 seconds, 1 hour is 60 minutes. Hours to minute and minutes to second multiply by 60 and seconds to minutes and minutes to hours divide by 60. Now let us see some questions converting a bigger unit into a smaller unit using BSM rule. Question 1. Change to minutes. 4 hours is equal to dash minutes. First you have to check whether is it from big to small or small to big. Hours to minutes, big to small, multiply by 60. 4 into 60 is equal to 240. Therefore, 4 hours is equal to 240 minutes. Second question. 3 hours 12 minutes is equal to dash minutes. First you have to convert 3 hours to minutes. Hours to minutes again multiply by 60. 3 into 60 is equal to 180. 3 hours is 180 minutes. Then you have to add this 12 minutes with that. 180 plus 12. It is equal to 192 minutes. 3 hours 12 minutes is equal to 192 minutes. First convert this hours to minutes, then add this minute with that. You will get the answer. Question 3, change to seconds. 2.5 minutes is equal to dash seconds. Minutes to second. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Minute is bigger, second is smaller. Bigger to smaller, multiply by 60. 2 minute is equal to 2 into 60, 120 seconds. Half minutes is equal to 30 seconds. Then 2.5 minutes is equal to 120 plus 30 is equal to 150 seconds. 2.5 minutes is equal to 150 seconds. Converting a smaller unit into a bigger unit, SBD rule. Here the question is change to hours and minutes. 920 minutes is equal to dash hours and dash minutes. Minutes to hours. Smaller to bigger. Division by 60 because 1 hour is 60 minutes. We are dividing by 60. 920 divided by 60. When we divide 920 by 60, we get the answer 15 and the remainder 20. Answer will be hours and the remainder will be minutes. That means 920 minutes is equal to 15 hours and 20 minutes. Next question, change to minutes and seconds. 200 seconds is equal to dash minutes and dash seconds. Here, seconds to minutes, smaller to bigger. Divide by 60. 200 divided by 60, we get the answer 3 and the remainder 20. Therefore, 200 seconds is equal to 3 minutes 20 seconds. Now let us see some word problem questions. A television program had 11 minutes of advertisements in it. How many seconds were the advertisements for? Here the question is 11 minutes is equal to dash seconds. Minutes to second. Bigger to smaller. Bigger to smaller, BSM. Multiplication. 11 into 60, 660. 11 minutes is equal to 660 seconds. And the answer is the advertisements were for 660 seconds. Second question, it takes Manisha 38 seconds to climb up the steps of her house. In 1 week, if she spent 504 seconds doing this, how many minutes had she spent climbing up the steps in a week? Here, 504 seconds she spent in 1 week. That is how many minutes? 504 seconds is equal to dash minutes. Seconds to minutes. Smaller to bigger. Divide by 60. When we divide 504 by 60, we get the answer 8 and the remainder 24. That is 8 minutes 24 seconds. She has spent 8 minutes 24 seconds in a week to climb up the steps. Now you have to do this homework. Exercise 13A, question 1, A, B, D, question 2, A, B, E, question 3, A, B, D, question 4, A, C, E in your notebook. Remember BSM and SBD rule. Then 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Thank you, children.